Today we are at Ted Rhodes Park. So to those of you who are local, you may be familiar with this park, but to anyone watching on YouTube land, this is located in North Nashville, right off of Clarksville Pike and Jefferson, I guess you can say. So yeah, if you'd like to visit this park, definitely do so. I will say this is for golfers, so it's not much to show you all. But if you are a golfer, you have somewhere you can go. The reason I say it that way is because that differs greatly from Ted Rhodes' experience when he was golfing. So this park is named after a professional black golfer. He passed away, I believe, in 1969. This was renamed from the Cumberland Golf Course to Ted Rhodes Park. So I don't know much about golfing, like nothing actually. I think I can only recall one golfer's name, two now. I don't know what these signs are, the posts, but as a hiker, I imagine it has something to do with distance and closeness to holes, my best guess. But in terms of just being out here and appreciating the scenery, I love all of the green pastures. I love looking at, the pond they have out here and just seeing the sun. I bet this is a beautiful sunset. But yeah, if you are a golfer and you're looking for somewhere to golf, Ted Rhodes Golf Course is definitely the place you want to be. There's a shot of the Joe Hinckley Clubhouse. Now y'all are seeing why I like to see willow trees beside ponds. It looks so peaceful. It's like tranquility at its finest. This is a beautiful golf course. I definitely grade it higher than the Shelby Golf Course. I mean, look at it. There's pond all throughout. It's really nice. Here's the historical marker detailing information about Ted Rhodes. Man, I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but hopefully you can. Those are the bicycle rental stations that we have throughout Nashville. But yeah, the trail continues back through there. I'm not gonna walk it. I just really came out here to show y'all this golf course. Quick one today too. So that's it for this week's Saturday Park Adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you're into golfing or if you've been to the Ted Rhodes golf course here. It looks like a pretty nice one. I mean, if I was into golfing, this is where I would be. Till next time, man, deuces. Ponds, willow trees, mounds and hills. What more can you ask for?